Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is for all my football fans. It's Sunday and it's game day, so let's make some honey sriracha chicken wings. Okay guys, so let's jump right into the recipe. Here I have my chicken wings already washed. I washed them up in some vinegar and lemon juice, and we'll add a bit of oil to them. We'll go in with some chicken bouillon, seasoned salt, some sazon. We will also add a bit of black pepper, some complete seasoning. We'll add some all-purpose seasoning, and we'll add some fresh green seasoning. Now if you don't have green seasoning, just add a bit of garlic and onion powder, and your wings should be tasting just fine. But because I have all the garlic and the onions blended in here, I will not be adding that today. So we will add like a half cup of cornstarch, and then we'll get in there with our hands and just mix everything until it's nicely combined. The cornstarch will help to crisp up the chicken wings, and it'll be nice and crispy. So once we're done, we'll cover this and let it marinate for at least 2 hours. So while the chicken wings are marinating, let's make a quick honey sriracha sauce for those wings using some honey. I have sriracha sauce here, ketchup, butter. I have some cornstarch and some apple cider vinegar. What you want to do is add your butter to a saucepan, allow that to melt. Once it melts, we'll go in with the rest of the ingredients except the cornstarch. We'll mix well and allow it to come up to a simmer. Once it comes up to a simmer, we will then go in with the cornstarch slurry, mix that in and allow it to thicken. Once it thickens, we will turn the heat off and set aside. That's it guys. It's super simple and easy. And you can add sriracha to your own liking. If you want it really spicy, add more. If you don't want it spicy, add less. So today I'll be using my air fryer. I already placed some of my chicken into the air fryer, and we'll cook this on 390 degrees for about 20 minutes. If you want, you can flip them halfway through the process, but I just leave mine because I feel like it cooks evenly all the way through, even when you don't flip them. That's my air fryer. So this is what it looks like once it's done, and the last thing you want to do is just go in with that sauce. Give it a nice coating. You can brush the sauce or you can toss them in the sauce. And that's it guys. Super simple and easy. And now I can go and watch my football game. And here you have it. Honey sriracha chicken wings. This is perfect for a game day. You know, if you're a football fan and you like to watch football, you just nibble on these while you're watching the game, and it's absolutely perfect. I hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Sure, leave a comment down below, and I will leave all my ingredients down in the description box, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good day, and thank you for watching.